Welcome to our channel, everybody. One of the best beverages for reducing belly fat is one I'll be sharing with you today. If you have organic, there is no need to use baking soda, otherwise, we will clean the lemon with it. I'd want to know from which city you are watching us. Lemon's diuretic properties encourage the body to discharge toxins. Lemons contain vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that encourages the body to eliminate pollutants. We'll squeeze some lemon juice and reserve it for later use. Lemon can help you lose weight, but it's also important to maintain a balanced diet. Ginger is an excellent detoxifier and a potent antioxidant that enhances liver function, increases digestive speed and reduces bloating. Bowl with lemon and ginger in it, cinnamon, half a teaspoon, overflow with 1 liter of water, 15 minutes of cooking time. After straining, let it cool. When it has cooled, squeeze some lemon juice in. Honey, 1 teaspoon, is added. It can be kept in the refrigerator in a glass bottle. 1 small cup should be consumed in the morning, 30 minutes before eating. To keep the beverage lukewarm, reheat it a little before each use. We appreciate your interest in our work. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.